Well, a little over 5 years ago, I showed you how to stop dishwashers leaking from the countertop air gap when running. Over 300,000 views, more than 600 likes. Today I'm showing you a follow-up on a less often cause of the same symptom. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. So again, previously on Kung Fu Maintenance, I showed you how to clear a dishwasher drain line. It's the air gap drain line that was clogged going to the disposal, air gap to disposal drain line. This is a common cause of when you go to drain your dishwasher, water shooting through the air gap, out through the air gap. And here's a special air gap cleaning tool. I'll try to put a link in the description below where you can get that tool. But you know, once in a while it happens that food buildup goes and gets clogged in the drain line. Here I'm taking apart the drain line and pulling it apart. Now there's a common cause here where inside the garbage disposal there's a bit of a ridge sometimes that if it's not cleared out with a flat blade knife on the original install, it can cause food gunk and stuff to build up on that ridge. So it's a good idea during the install, or if you're clearing one of these out, to go ahead and take off that ridge with a flat blade knife, and that's what I showed in the previous video. And but today wanted to show you a less often cause of a dishwasher that leaks from the air gap when it drains or doesn't drain properly. And here it is. Here's a dishwasher drain line that was cut too short, or the drain line was too short itself to begin with. And what's happened is it's kinked off. You know, like when you fold a garden hose in half to stop the water flow. That's what's happened here. So here's a new drain line that's much longer, long enough for us to install and change out the drain line so that it won't have that tight kink in it that's cutting off the water flow and causing it to drain from the air gap. Yeah, with that tight of a bend in it, it might have worked for a little while, but then food gets caught up in the tight bend. It's too tight of a bend. It needs to have enough of a slower curve so that food doesn't build up and get caught up in it. And so that's the fix here, is changing the drain hose to a proper length drain hose so that it can make that turn without kinking off or cutting off the water supply. It's an easy fix, but it happens, and this is a less often cause of an air gap flooding the countertop. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.